To my channel. Sorry, I'm a little sick, so let's get started. Let me take the lightest color available. So this is day 4 and we are having expiry on 14th. So this will be our day 3, this will be our day 2, and this will be our day 1. Okay, so we also have to understand this is week 2 of August month, and these are the days before expiry. And then you could simply see the price action here. So when you check, open is here and close is here, almost equal. So until now the sellers are having the positive edge. The same, open is here, close is here. Bank Nifty is also having a very good decay up till now. Okay, now we would see what happens in the OI. So we'll start with equity actually, because we have to cover a lot of topics. So on the negative side, we have IndusInd Bank and Daniport ITC to 1 to 0.5% down. Apollo Hospital, since it is having a good news, 8% up as you could see. And then you have Hindalco 5% up and Dr. Reddy's 2% up. And today other stocks are performing very well. When you check pre-open market here, Apollo Hospitals already had the gap up here. Okay, and then when you see here, it's 98 points gap up for Nifty and no struggle between 9 a.m. to 9:06. And when you check for all, this is going to take a bit time. It was definitely a bullish move. So I just checked today morning, so I know. I'll skip because it's taking too much time to load. I am not premium with Nifty Trader, so I'll check the free data which is available. I hope 13th, yes, it's released, so you could see here it is 13th. I'll change the color so that we can understand. So this is FII data which we are going to concentrate. Now this shows the buy position, this shows the sell position, and this shows the resistance, and this shows the support. Okay, so 19 versus 201, so definitely sellers are more in the market. 45 and 37, so clearly resistance is more in the market, and tomorrow the decay can happen a positive way because I am expecting to be a sideways expiry for tomorrow. Okay, that's what this FII data is telling us. Okay, you can also, this is for index, and then you can check for stocks as well. This is 13th data. Okay, now let's move on. I'll see the holiday list. So we are having holiday this week, Friday, Independence Day, and then we check stock results. We have to check for the 14th. So let's take 14th. So you could see these are the upcoming stock results, and Reliance is giving a dividend, right? So you see ICICI gave dividend last time, and then the prices were going down because the price has to adjust itself with the price action. So you could see the dividend, actually stock has fallen. Now the dividend for Reliance, actually I have fear that it might cause some price action trigger in the Reliance. Okay, so anyway, we will just check. So these are the important news you have to check. And now we'll go to the economic calendar. This is like the world news, and for 14th we have India as well as USA news. You can check on details here. Okay, now I'll go to day impressions, day OI. So you could see 600 is pretty good support now for the market. And when you check for monthly, there are 400 CE, so it is contradicting, so we have to wait and watch. Okay, now we'll check for Bank Nifty. 61,000 is a strong resistance, 58,000 is a strong support. Okay, so this is also very weak. Now we'll check the total OI. So you could see Nifty is doing its profit booking, that's why this is drifting down, and overall also it is same. So here two case study can happen. One, market can be remaining under the same zone. Otherwise, if it is going up, then buyers might have edge and market will be trending upside. If it's going down, if call writers are more in the market, then it will be drifting down. So yeah, these three cases are possible for tomorrow, but according to me, I'll just support sideways because we have Friday holiday, so maximum decay tomorrow we can expect. Here also you can check. The sellers are almost equal. So Finnifty and Midcap Nifty you can check by yourself. I'm going to do for Nifty and Bank Nifty. This is the same procedure you can follow. Bank Nifty clearly showing resistance. Now I'll go to straddle, check the straddle count. So before taking the straddle, I would just like to check some other details as well. So you could see premium from 152 it came down to 100, which is very good. And then here when you check for Nifty, you see here 600 strike is having equal straddle point. So 600 and 650 is going to be the straddle point for tomorrow. So market is highly possible to remain between 600 and 700 for Nifty. And when you check for Bank Nifty, straddle point is 500 and definitely 56,000. Okay, so Bank Nifty is pretty clear. I'll be back with our straddle where we are going to do some price action comparison. So first off is Nifty here. So definitely all these strikes, it was a positive decay. As you could see, the charts are drifting down. I'll go to Nifty first. So Nifty it was sideways, as you could see. Now when you check for open for Nifty is 550. Let me just select the 550, and then you could see, so here up till here, so around some 12 to 1 the long straddle people are winning, but here till here it is the short straddle people who are winning. Okay, and then again here the second time long straddle people have got the chance, but then again from here short straddle has taken the market up till down, which was a positive for them. So each cases the move was very good. As you could see how much the long straddle and each short straddle has been winning. This also shows that how much SL hunting has happened in the market. Okay, now let's just calculate the profit. I'll just take round numbers. I'll take 160 and 140, so it's roughly 20 points. Let's calculate the profitability. Let me change the color, so I'll take pink. So when you calculate PNL, one lot for Nifty is 75, and then the decay is roughly open minus close, that is 20 points. Okay, now this times this is, so this plus tax and brokerage is our profit today. Okay, so you could see open here, close here, and where the resistance has not been broken anywhere. Okay, this becomes the roughly support area for the short sellers. Okay, now we would go and check for Bank Nifty. Let me take Bank Nifty here. Bank Nifty open was 200. I'll take the green line. This was also a profitable trade. So that's it guys. Thank you.